On the bow, the 2007 Regal 2665. I'm going to start by turning around and showing you there's the anchor, your spotlight. It's wired for a windlass. It's not hooked up, but that's an easy hookup. You've got your light there, your water, your hatch. There's photographs of that. This is the place for a sun pad. You can see where it will be put down. You've got cup holders on both sides. I'm going to walk back towards the cockpit. This is a walk-through windshield. Going over to the captain's chair. Here we go. Show you your gauges. Jet finder. Now, there is a Garmin GPS that also shows you your speed. This is a GPS map 545. But you also have speed over here. There is a Raymarine VHF right here. I'll show you all your gauges. Got your cup holder. There is a Firebore fire system on this boat and a gasoline fume detector. Bennett trib tabs. Kill switch. The stereo that is played inside the cabin is remote access here. You've got your step to step up to walk out onto the bow. Sirius radio. Now, these are bolster seats that you can lift up, and they adjust. You can move it forwards or backwards. This boat does come with a bimini and a cover and a full camper cover with isinglass. I'll show you the storage over here. Also comes with a fire extinguisher. We've got a cockpit sink, cup holder, igloo, storage. Now this seating area back here, there's photographed with that bench up. This lays down, and this makes into a very large sun pad back here. There's also a photograph of that. The dinette inside the cabin can be taken out here and brought up into the cockpit. You've got cup holders and a Kenwood stereo. You've got your cockpit lighting. There's your step. You've got navigational lighting is in a hatch out on the swim platform. More storage. We've got a transom walkthrough right here. Just lift up, walk through. For the sake of the video, I'm not going to lift these hatches because I do have photographs of that. There's a 4-step swim ladder, extendable swim ladder. 3-foot swim platform. We've got pop-up cleats. Here's your gas. We're going to look back into the cockpit from the swim platform. And as you can see, this boat has been kept undercover and on a lift. We are going to step down into the cabin. There's one step, but 2 steps down. Now to port, there's a beautiful galley that has a microwave, pressurized hot and cold water, a stovetop, and a fridge, and some storage. I'm going to show you everything in just a minute. You got your panel over here. Okay, got a shelf up here for storage. Now this is a tap-in, I guess that's how you say it, microwave. Did verify that the water was pressurized earlier. Nice clean fridge. Small portion for freezer. Now, there is a 6-disc CD player down here, Kenwood. There's a stereo up here. This is Sirius ready. And it also comes with an iPhone hookup. I think this is for a 4 or 5. That would be an easy change. You got your charger right there. Great sound system. I'm going to turn that up. I hope that comes across well in the video. Sometimes the sound doesn't sound the same in a video as it does in person, but that sounds real good. Got storage space down here. Little trash system. All these close back up to get out of your way so they don't snag your clothing. Now, as we're moving forward, well, let me look to starboard first. There is an enclosed head. Beautiful wood grain. Full enclosed head. Get a mirror. Get a hook. Power. Hot and cold pressurized water. The faucet does pull out to make a shower. It's a hose. Storage. And you've got your drain for shower. I'm going to step in here and show you how spacious this is. Close the door even. Okay, we've got storage right here. There's your option for shower. Safety. Down here. Oh, maybe I need to open the door so you can see the light. Yeah. Sorry. More storage. And then there's a shower curtain. Very spacious and light. Okay. Oh, and you've got a full length mirror right here. Okay. So, coming back out, so you've got your enclosed head to starboard and your galley to port. Moving forward, we've got this great seating area with dinette, and there's a hatch. There is a cover to darken that. I have photographs of that, so you can darken that up and make it, you know, where it kind of keeps the light out if you wanted to come here and take a nap. And there's a screen. There's a mirror up front. There's a 15-inch sharp flat screen TV. This is a Nessa, or Nisa, I'm not sure how you pronounce that, DVD player. Also has an MP3. There's a remote. Now, all these seats have storage under them. Try to do this with one hand. So storage for your life vest or whatever. Now under here, show you this. Right here, you see that? Those are your 3 rods right there. You take those out. Let me show you where they go. Those go right here, and here, and here. You take the dinette down. The dinette stores in this forward hatch. It stores in there. Plenty of space. You take the dinette down, and these cushions over here, the 1, 2 quart and the one to starboard, these actually come off. You take these off, flip them around, and they fit right into that space right there, so that this would make a very large berth, a very large sleeping area. So I'm going to move forward and just let you see the cabin from far forward. Oh, and there's storage back here. There are your speakers. Storage behind the seating. Plenty of storage. And so now we're looking out towards the cockpit. Very spacious field. Lights throughout. This boat does have AC and heat. There's a thermostat right here to control that. Carbon monoxide alarm. They've had a dehumidifier in here. They just really, the seller's trying to take good care of their boat. Now, as I'm moving towards the center of the boat, there's a queen size berth back here. Very large, very spacious. Come down in here so you can see. Very spacious. There is a curtain that closes off. I'll show you that in a minute. That would close off this whole area. You have a little bench next to the bed. There's storage down here. Hopefully you can see this. It's kind of dark, but there is storage down here. And lights. Over both sides. Plug. Can you see that? And there is a cedar closet. It's lit. Is that light? Storage closet. Here's more storage. Lots of storage in this boat. Okay, so there's the bench next to the bed, little seating area. Here's your curtain that closes this whole area off. So you would actually have even some foot room outside the berth. And in here is a curtain right there. That's a curtain where you could snap up the curtain right here. You see all these snaps? This closes. And that is tinted. Very spacious, very nice cabin. You're gonna feel quite comfortable in here. Now on the boat, you can hear it running, and it has been lowered into the water more, and so you can hear how quiet it is. The boat is currently out of the water right now, and so it will sound a little louder than normal, but we're going to go ahead and crank it up for you. Good. I'm going to show you the exterior of the 2007 Regal 2665. This boat has always been kept up on a lift, and the seller states that every time he got it back, he cleaned it. Lift and undercover. And I think I'm going to walk back out here in a minute and let you see the props. Just want you to see the... Don't think I'm... Well, I can see them from there. Good. Beautiful. Stainless steel. Trim tabs.